you can create a SupportAssist deployment configuration as a Windows installer file, administrative template, or an answer file. In this video, we'll create an answer file with the required configuration to deploy SupportAssist on your systems. To begin, log into a system with administrative rights and ensure it has internet connectivity. Access the Setup Manager wizard and ensure that you meet the prerequisites displayed on the Welcome page and click Next. Select Create New Configuration to create a new answer file and then click Next. After you read the terms of the SupportAssist Use and Access Agreement, select I agree and then click Next. The Internet Connection page enables you to configure how the local system and target systems connect to the Internet. The term local system refers to the system you will use to create the answer file, and the target system refers to the system on which SupportAssist will be deployed. If the local system connects to the Internet through a proxy server, select Connect via Proxy and enter the proxy server address and port number. If the proxy server requires authentication, select This proxy requires authentication and enter the credentials. If your target systems connect to the Internet differently from the local system, select Target systems have different settings, provide the necessary details, and then click Next. Note that the Internet connectivity of the target systems cannot be validated from this wizard. On the sign-in page, click Next to log into your Dell My account. It is recommended that you log in using a Dell My account created using the same credentials as your TechDirect account. TechDirect helps you manage the alerts generated for the systems monitored using SupportAssist. If you do not have a My account, you can create one from dell.com/myaccount. If you do not have a TechDirect account, go to techdirect.com and enroll your organization. After you log into your Dell My account, enter the primary contact, select a preferred contact method. Optionally, you can also enter the contact information of your secondary contact. Also enter the shipping information, and then click Next. On the Preferences page, you can enable or disable automated and manual tasks on the systems on which SupportAssist will be deployed. In the Automated Tasks section, you can allow SupportAssist to automatically update to the latest version, as well as include software and identification information in the data collected from the systems. You can also enable scheduled scans and select the frequency when SupportAssist can run the scan. In the User Interactions section, you can enable the user interface for all user types or for admins only. Note, you can enable or disable other options in this section only if you choose to enable the user interface for the end users. If you enable the user interface for end users, you can enable admins to manually update the drivers using SupportAssist and allow all types of users to perform software optimizations such as file cleanup, performance tune-up, network optimization, as well as virus and malware removal. Note, SupportAssist does not collect any information about the usage of your applications. Click Next to continue. On the Deployment Type page, select Answer File and enter an encryption key for the file. Click Browse to select the folder where you want to save the files, and click Create. The answer file and check and uninstall files are created in the folder selected, and the details are displayed on the summary page. Click the folder path to view the files. If you have SupportAssist for PCs at home already installed on the target systems, run the check and uninstall file on the target systems before you deploy the new SupportAssist for Business Client Systems configuration. The check and uninstall file uninstalls SupportAssist for PCs at home from the target systems. If you want to deploy SupportAssist on multiple sites with different settings, click Create New and create the configuration files with the corresponding settings. For more information or assistance, go to dell.com/SupportAssist.